All right, so let's talk about making a portfolio. In Google, as long as you're signed in to your Gmail, you click on the Rubik's Cube or the waffle, whatever you want to call it, you're going to click on Google Sites. Now, that should take you to the Google Sites main page, and you can click on blank. Now, what's going to show up is just a total blank version of a Google site. This is what you're going to do to make a portfolio. So we're going to take the name of the header. You're going to write your name. Let's just say your name is Jim. So we'll write Jim's PLTW portfolio. Okay, now there are ways for you, and I would like you to maybe change the background. So whether it's an image or just gallery, you can kind of change it to a different color. So I just kind of went with a red theme. If you click on the top left where it says untitled site, you can write the same thing. You can, whether you write your name or not, you can just write PLTW portfolio, something that will be recognizable so that you can find it when you update it. The bottom area here, where it's white, you have the header, and then you have where it's white. If you double click, now you'll see it has all of these different. You can embed a link, you can put text, you can put an image, you can upload something from your computer, or upload something from Drive. I'm going to put text, and you could just write a generic welcome. So, hi, my name is Jim, and this is my PLTW portfolio. Click the links to see some of the great work I've been doing in PLTW. Now, you don't have to write that exactly. You can write something like it, something along the lines of, hi, here's where you can see all the work I've been doing. And you could resize it if you like, whatever you really want. Okay, so that's the good for the main page. Now, the next thing is on the right-hand side, you see where it says pages. We have home, which is good. And we're going to create 5 pages. One is engineering. You create that. This new page, you don't necessarily have to change the background. And then what you're going to do, this is very important, is you're going to double click, you're going to go to Drive, and you're going to find that worksheet that we did where you were doing the engineering scavenger hunt. So you're going to take the engineering scavenger hunt, you're going to click that. I might be able to find it just so you can kind of get a good idea of what I'm talking about. So it's Buzz, Science Technology. Okay, and then I can click the scavenger hunt. Yours will be filled out, but mine's blank, and then I insert it, and then it's here. Now, it might be multiple pages, but you can kind of just take this dot here and drag it so you can kind of see the entire thing. Perfect. So now, if I go to home, it's the home page. If I go to engineering, it's the engineering scavenger hunt worksheet. Great. Now you're going to add a new page. Call this one design process. And same thing, you're going to double click, go to Drive. And the same thing we did before with the engineering scavenger hunt, but now you're going to put the design process worksheet that we did last class. So we put that. So those 2 tabs will stand, and you remember you can make it a little bigger so I could see a little more. Now if it's multiple pages and you can only get, I think only the first page will show up, that's okay. Just worry about that first page because I could scroll through that. Now the other 3 pages you're going to make have to do with the units that we're going to work on. So you can make one called Applied Chemistry. You can make, you can drag them, so I'm going to drag this out to the bottom. You can make another one called Nanotechnology. I think it keeps kind of flying up there, but that's okay. And then you can make another one called Applied Physics.